Viewers, so now our first line is complete. Now we will take slip stitch.
Okay, and one more slip stitch,
like this,
and one slip stitch, okay, and now chain 1, 2 and 3,
three chains,
and double crochet in this
double
hole,
crochet in this hole,
2, okay, and one more at the same place, okay,
3 double crochets,
okay, 1 and 2 chains, okay,
after 3 double crochets, 2 chains,
and double crochet 1, okay, 2 and 3.
repeat the same pattern.
Okay, and next
For this one also we are repeating it,
and next 2 chains, okay, same pattern, 2 chains and 3 double crochets, okay, same pattern, 2 chains and 3 double crochets in the next, okay,
in the other stitches of this line you will make the same pattern.
3 double crochets and 2 chains, okay, and repeat,
And then go to the next
double
stitch
crochets.
and then repeat the same pattern. 3 double crochets and 2 chains. Going to take slip stitch to end our second line.
one more slip stitch, okay, and one slip stitch, okay, and repeat 3 chain, 1, 2 and 3, and double crochet in this hole, 1 and 2 and 3 lines, 1, 2, 3, okay, 3 double crochet, 3 chains, this 3 chains and 2 double crochets, 3 double crochet, and same 2 chains
and then
3 double crochets
in the next hole. Repeat the same pattern for the next holes also of this line. 2 chains and then 3 double crochets. After taking the slip stitches, now we have started our fourth line. First of all, we will make 3 chains
and then double crochet, 1 and 2, okay, double crochet, 1 and 2 and 2 chains.
Okay, so now the next we are repeating the same pattern of 3 chains and then double crochets. Like this. The last line we have turned it. Okay, so now our last line after taking the slip stitches,
2 and 3, okay, and same pattern, 1 2, okay, double crochet, 1 2, okay.
3 double crochets, and now mashallah our small bag above portion cover
This stage, 1 double crochet
is going to be
increase, okay,
complete.
1 more
We
double
will
crochet,
increase so that it looks more beautiful,
okay,
like this.
last 4
double
3
crochets.
chains and 3 double crochet, so 4 lines, 4 double crochets.
Okay, so mashallah our small bag is looking very beautiful and it is complete. Our only button is left and we will tell you how to attach it. Viewers, so now we are going to make the strap for our mini bag. For that we have taken this off-white wool, 4 ply wool,
1
we are going to make simple chains.
3 4
Like this you make the simple chains
6 7
by moving the yarn over.
9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17
In the same way you will make the chain like this.
20 chains,
We have made 20.
21 22 23 24 25 26
26 chains.
Join
These.
okay,
I'm going to take a
slip stitch, okay,
Okay, so now we have attached both the ends of our strap and we are going to cut the thread.
Okay.
Like this, mashallah, our strap is ready. Like this, we have left long thread so that we can attach easily our strap with our bag. Using this crochet needle, we are going to sew it.
Okay.
Tying both the ends so that it becomes properly fixed. Done. Now we are going to attach this button on our small bag like this using needle and white thread. We are passing the thread from the holes of the button. These buttons come in various sizes. You can buy them from the market. This bag can be used for various purposes. You can put your cards, your money in this, airpods. We are going to check where we will place this button. Other side, like this, we can place it and see the correct position. Now we are fixing the other side of our button simply by passing through the holes. Okay, so now we have attached the button. Yes, mashallah, our mini bag is ready. It's looking beautiful. Try this. This is very easy and this will make you happy. You can put your various items in this bag. You can put your cards, coins, your earpods. Using this purple color. We are going to fix it properly. Like this it's done. Okay, so now we have closed it. If you like our bag, like and subscribe our channel. We will provide you more tutorials of such easy crochet items.